By golly, it's the Tuesday News Day. That's right, I'm your host Andrew, and have we got some news to deliver on today's Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. Let's go! First up, Three Arrows Capital was one of the biggest crypto bankruptcies of 2022, dragging down several lenders with it. But now the doomed hedge fund's co-founders are plotting a comeback. Kyle Davies and Zhu Su want to start a new crypto exchange, and it's called GTX. Which definitely doesn't invoke memories of another exchange that starts with a letter that precedes G. That's going to be marketing consultation, Kyle Davies and Zhu Su. I hope my check is in the mail. Anyway, the platform will focus on helping people who are owed money by bankrupt companies. They would be able to transfer their claims onto the platform, and in return, they'll get immediate credit through a token called USDG. Unsurprisingly, their plans have gone down very badly in crypto circles. I'm shocked. Castle Island Ventures founding partner Nick Carter compared the duo to arsonists, returning to the scene of a crime and hawking buckets of water to their victims. After suffering reputational damage from his association with Sam Bankman-Fried, former FTX US President Brett Harrison has landed a big investor for his new startup. Skybridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci has confirmed he'll be backing the crypto software business with his own funds. Scaramucci was also badly burned by FTX's collapse. Months before the exchange went bust, FTX Ventures had snapped up a 30% stake in the business. Speaking in Davos, Scaramucci said he considered SBF a friend and felt close to him and his family. He added, "I have to tell you that the betrayal and fraud, it's bad on a lot of different levels. It certainly hurt me reputationally." Former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson just received a $1.2 million political donation from a crypto investor. The cash was from Christopher Harborne, who was reportedly a shareholder in the parent company of Bitfinex and Tether. According to a Sky News producer, it's the largest ever donation to a politician in British history, 6 times higher than the previous record. Last February, Harborne also donated more than $600,000 to the Conservative Party, 2 months before it unveiled ambitions to make the UK a global crypto asset hub. A rival politician said, "Instead of protecting the public by properly regulating the crypto market, it appears the Conservatives have been looking after the interests of their wealthy donors." Pulverized late last year by its close association with disgraced FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, the Solana blockchain has staged a roaring comeback, rising 60% over last week and nearly 300% in the past 3 weeks. Solana's native SOL token hit $24.75 this week, briefly pushing its market cap past competing Ethereum killer blockchain Polygon's Matic to enter the top 10. That's up from a 7-day low of $15.37 and 30-day low of $8.14 on December 29th. Just to put things into perspective, Solana closed out 2022 down almost 95%. Bankman-Fried was a strong supporter of the Solana ecosystem and had backed it heavily. And just to rub salt in that wound, its treasury was rich with SBF stock and tokens that have now plummeted in value. And finally, funds stolen in last year's Horizon Bridge attack are on the move. North Korean hackers appear to have funneled about 2/3 of the $100 million stolen through a smart contract called Railgun. The project has been billed as an alternative to coin mixers that makes transactions fully invisible. Binance's CEO, CZ, says his security team have been able to seize $2.5 million in stolen crypto. Just as a reminder, Horizon was hacked back in June after the Lazarus Group managed to steal passwords belonging to validators. About 65,000 wallets were robbed. Reports have long suggested that North Korea is using stolen crypto to sidestep economic sanctions and fund its nuclear weapons ambitions. And speaking of existential dread and not knowing when your next breath will be your last, well, you'd better do the following really quick. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. You're still breathing? Oh, good. Well, you can leave a comment in... Oh, no, you still can't do that. We disabled comments because of bots. Well, you can telepathically communicate your feedback to me. Oh, I'm already getting some of your thoughts. Oh, none of this is safe for YouTube. Questions about our headlines or crypto in general? Why not ask Alex in that description below? Alex is a great resource on all things Web3 and that metaverse doodad, and that about does it for today. Again, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and we'll see all of your beautiful shining faces tomorrow. Have a good one.